Hi everyone, welcome to English classes by Sarvi. The grammar chapter we are going to take up today is clause and their types. In English, the basic unit is alphabets comprising vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants combine together to make words. Words are there in a group to frame phrases. Group of words having a verb of its own but not a clear-cut meaning is what we call clauses. Hence, a clause starts with a clause connector. It can be that, which, when, where, whichever, whatever, etc. For example, in a sentence, he who lives there is a good friend of mine. If we separate the clause, that is, who lives there, again, the clause doesn't have a clear-cut meaning. Talking about the kinds or varieties of clauses, we have noun clauses, adjectival clauses, and adverbial clauses. In noun clauses, the clause starts with that, what, whatever, etc. It is clear that I am not going. This is what you said. Or you can say, it is combining two sentences. It's clear I am not going there. It's clear that I am not going there. Talking about the adjectival clause, the clauses which start with which, who, whom, whosoever, whichever, etc. Take whichever dress you like. Just note down whomsoever you met in the party. This is the person whom I met yesterday. So here, whom I met yesterday, who lives there, again they are the adjectival clauses. Talking about adverbial clauses, the adjective of verbs, like the words or clause connectors describing the nature or the time or the manner or the place of the verb. For example, Delhi is the place where I met him for the first time. It is time when he generally wakes up. This is the reason why I went to Delhi. Hence, these clauses starting with where, when, how, they are called adverbial clause. So, a quick recapitulation: clauses, a group of words having a verb but not clear-cut meaning of its own. Three types: noun clause starting with what, that, etc. Adjectival clause starting with which, who, whom, whosoever, whichever, etc. And adverbial clauses starting with when, where, why, how, etc. So now is the time for a quick to do exercise and just sort out whether you are able to do it or not. So I'm just giving you dashes and you see which type of clause connectors you have to fill in. The first sentence: just choose dash dress you like. Second, I understand dash you said. Third, I shall follow you dash you go. Fourth, this is the book dash he presented me on my birthday. Next, this is the person dash I saw in the market yesterday. Next, just see dash you find eligible. Next, it is clear dash I am not going to meet him. Next, this is the manner dash I generally do my work. Last, this is the reason dash I put stress on this issue. So this is something about this video. Thank you so much.